Linking Teachers with Technology. Welcome to a video with Madame McDonald.
I love changing the background color in a Google Sheet. You can actually create some really neat art with it. So let's say you want to change the color of this cell of A2 to green. You're just going to select it and you're going to go up to the paint can where it says fill color, and you're going to choose the color of what you want to change the background to. You can also select more than one cell at a time by clicking, and then if you click the shift button and hold it down, you can drag and make all these a different color. So I'm going to make these yellow. The other thing you can do is you can make an entire column one color. So if you click on the F right here, it's now selected the whole column, and you can go right over here, fill color, click, and I'm going to make it blue. And if you go all the way down, you've made the entire column blue. And you can do the same thing for rows as well. So if I want to make 5, then I can go up to the paint can and I can make it purple. And you can make some really cool art and neat color coding with your Google Sheet.
Merci beaucoup. Thanks for watching.